Hey loves, alors, what's up? Sorry, I was about to start speaking in French. I forgot this is the English video for my English channel. Yes, I do have a French channel for those of you who care. The link will be right up here. Go ahead and check it out if you care. But if not, well, welcome. You're in the right place. So before I get started, I'm sorry that I'm yelling. I'm just super excited because I finally have an actually freaking blonde bob wig. Do you know how long it's been since I've wanted a blonde bob wig? I've been looking at them on AliExpress for like years, I feel like, and I never actually like jumped and decided let me do it. When Megalook Hair contacted me and said they wanted me to review their bob wig, I thought, hey, this may be the right opportunity. This is so yeah, I jumped on it. I'm so excited to share everything about this wig with you. We're going to talk about the packaging, the specs, and basically how it holds up. So today, just so you guys know, it's been 2 weeks since I've had it. I'll show you guys how I applied it and everything start to finish, and yeah. But before I get into the video, please do not forget that you can't leave this video without liking, without leaving a comment, and without subscribing to my channel. It would make me super happy if you do that. Those are the 3 things you need to do in general when you're watching any video on YouTube that you support and whose videos you enjoy. Let them know you like them by liking the video. Let them know you want to see more of them by subscribing, and obviously comment if you have anything else you want to share with them. We are going to start with this box we're unboxing, and basically, as you can see, it says Megalook on the inside, on the outside, and the wig is well packed. We're going to look at this nice little book that they have, which is quite a guide like with the brand culture, and then explains the other products that they have, and then has like other links to buy their stuff like the Amazon and their website, which I thought was a cute touch. And then you have these eyelashes, which I probably won't be able to use because I don't know how to, and then the wig cap with the instructions also at the bottom of the box. So I thought that was really quite nice. And the wig is a 4x4 closure, lace closure wig. It's a T1B27, an ombre look. It's supposed to be 180% density, and it's a 14-inch. So there you go. You can see the closure. The hair is very smooth, very silky. It doesn't tangle. You can just run your hands through it. As you can see, the knots are not like bleach, but the lace is like the right color for me. It's like the perfect color. I think it's a light brown. The knots are not necessarily bleach, and I don't think I'll be doing it today, but I'll probably get to it for some other occasion. And there you go. That's the closure. And then you have an elastic band that comes with it, and the comb at the back as well, which I think is really good. So what I'm going to do to apply, this is my first install, or what I did on the first day because I was in a hurry. I just went ahead and applied some powder, which is usually close to my color, on the closure, and usually I do that when I don't have time to bleach the knots, which was the case for this install. And I pulled down my wig cap, and then I started kind of seeing how I was gonna lay the wig. And sorry for the stains on my shirt, you guys. I ended up changing because I hadn't seen it was this gross. So I'm cutting off the lace bit by bit. You know, you just want to take your time with it. This is fast forwarded, but it really took me like 10 minutes to cut the lace. So I'm using my Got to Be Glued, the white gel one, and then I'm gonna use that to secure my wig today. And I'm using that to also lay my baby hairs a little bit and just have it where I want my hair to sit. And now what I'm doing is I'm letting it air dry a little bit, which I do with my hand, and I cut. But then now I'm just going back and fixing the lace, and basically that's just how I do it when I want to apply. I want to apply this simply, and then I just go walk around and play with my baby hairs a bit with the leftover gel, add a little bit when it's necessary. I kind of just wanted to lay it down a little bit. I was so in a hurry and so late for work that day, so yeah. So I cut a bit off to create more baby hairs, and that was literally it. And just look at how soft and beautiful this hair is, and how it has all this body, like, oh my god. And here's a close-up. Look at how fancy. I can't. I freaking love it. I hope you guys love it too. Okay, so this is really cool. I'm gonna move on to the second time. So basically for the second time around, it was 2 weeks later. What did I end up doing? What I ended up doing was I used the other wig cap because I realized that they're so much more breathable and they're so much better for me and my head because I struggle. And now I'm gonna go ahead and try and secure my wig like I did last time, but this time I'm using the Got to Be Glued spray, which I think is my go-to now officially, for longer hold and like more, you know, whatever. So I'm using my blow dryer to get it to be a little bit tacky. I touch to make sure it's tacky, and then I go ahead and apply my wig, and then I just kind of hold it in place, and then in principle I go back over with more blow dryer. Yep. And then, you know, to have it really just stay in place and look bomb. And then when I'm done with that, I go in with the Got to Be Glued, the white gel at this point, and I go and apply, well, I try to lay my baby hairs a little bit, try to have it look a little more decent, you know. And then I go in with my foundation, and I put it in, you know, on the middle part to kind of yeah, to just kind of take away the knots again. And then I'm combing it. I didn't bother straightening it. I actually like this look. It's 2 weeks in. I actually really like this look. And you guys, the good thing about closure wigs is that you have minimal parting space, but it's just less work. It's a lot less work, and I'm lazy, so I really loved it, and I really think it ended up looking great. Really ended up looking great. So I'm experiencing minimal shedding, and I absolutely love it right now. Guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe right below. All the details and information you may need will be in the description bar, hopefully, and if I forgot something, do not hesitate to ask me in the comment section. Yeah, I'm very happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this wig. I really love this wig. 2 weeks into it. Hopefully, months into it, I'll be saying the same thing, but I think it's bomb, and I really encourage you to go check out Megalook Hair. To check out what else they're offering. I'm sure you'll find something you like. Thanks again for tuning in. I love you guys so very much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. And of course, don't forget to watch my other videos while you're here. Well, don't forget, Wednesdays. Bye!